Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 3A of book 2, question number 8. In the last video, we solved question number 7. Now we are going to solve question number 8. This question is having 4 parts in which it says expand and simplify each of the following expression. In all these 4 parts, we are going to expand the brackets and then solve it. So let's solve this question without wasting any time. So this is part A of this question, question number 8 of exercise 3A. It says 5 plus bracket x plus 1 and bracket x plus 3. So this 5 is independent with a sign, but we are having 2 brackets which we need to expand. So to do this, we are going to expand this bracket, open this bracket with this. Let me show you how. 5 plus, we are going to write x, we have opened this now, and write x plus 3 in the brackets. Now we are going to write plus 1 and write the same bracket again, x plus 3. So now we have expand one of the bracket. Now we are going to multiply this x with this bracket and 1 with this bracket. So x hexa x multiplied by x is x square and x multiplied by 3 is 3x, and the sign would be positive. 5 plus x square plus 3x. Now we are having plus 1 and x plus 3 again. We are going to multiply 1 with x and 3. So 1 multiplied by x is 1x and 1 multiplied by 3 would be 3 and the sign would be positive. So 1 multiplied by x, we could write it as 1x also and x. So I am going to use it as x. So plus x plus 1 3 is a 3. Now we have opened all the brackets in the expression. Now we are going to group them. So we are having first 5 and we are having as a same number as 3. So the sign would be plus plus is plus. So 3 would be shifted over here, 5 plus 3. Now we are having x square which is independent, so we are going to write it as separate, x square. We don't have any number with square, but we are having numbers like 3x and x. Because we can also call it as 1x, but we have written it as x. It's your choice. The sign would be plus 3x plus x. So here x means 1. Now we're just simply going to add them. So 5 plus 3 would be 8. Then plus x square which is independent plus 3x plus x means 3 plus 1. So it would be 4x. So this was part A of this question. Now let's move towards part B. So this is part B of this question, which says 3x plus bracket x plus 7 and 2x minus 1 is the question. So we are going to do the same as in part A, but the question is different. So we are going to open this bracket first. We are going to write 3x plus x and we are going to write 2x minus 1. Now we are going to write 7 means plus 7 and write the same 2x minus 1. We are going to multiply x with this bracket and 7 with this bracket. So x multiplied by 2x would be 2x square and x multiplied by 1 would be 1x. The sign would be negative, plus minus minus. 3x plus 2x square, x multiplied by 2x, 2x square, plus minus minus, and x multiplied by 1, 1x. Now plus 7 multiplied by 2x. 7 multiplied by 2x would be 14x plus 14x. 7, the sign would be plus minus minus. 7 multiplied by 1 would be 7. Now we are going to group them. So first of all we are having 3x and first we are having 2x square. We are going to write it in the first area as 2x square. Then we are having 3x, 1x and 14x. So we are going to write all 3x, 1x and 14x together. So plus 3x minus 1x and plus 14x minus 7 is independent as 2x square. Now we just need to solve these three, means 3 plus 3 minus 1x minus 1x plus 14x. So the answer would be 3x. If we plus 3 with 14 it would be 17 and minus 1, so it would be 16x, means 2x square plus 16 x minus 7. This was part B of this question. So this is part C of this question, which says 3x plus 2 in brackets, x minus 9 in brackets plus 2x and 4x plus 1 in brackets. So means over here we are going to expand this and then multiply 2x with this bracket. So let's quickly expand. It's very easy. We are going to follow the same steps as we have followed in the previous two parts for expanding two brackets. We are going to write 3x plus, we are going to write x minus 9 in brackets, x minus 9. Now we are going to write plus 2 x minus 9. Then we are going to multiply 2x with this bracket. So 2x multiplied by 4x would be 8x square. So plus 8x square and 2x multiplied by 1 would be 2x. Now we are going to multiply 3x with this bracket and 2 with this bracket. So 3x multiplied by x would be 3x square and 3x multiplied by minus 9, so it would be minus 27x. Then we are having plus 2 and we are going to multiply this 2 with this whole bracket. So 2 multiplied by x would be plus 2x and then 2 multiplied by 9 would be 18 minus 18. Now we are going to write this whole as it is. So we have expanded and opened all the brackets. Now we are going to do grouping. So 3x square, we are going to write it with 8x square as they are same variables. So plus minus is minus. So we are having plus 8x square. So we are going to write plus 8x square. Now we are having minus 27x, 2x plus 2x and plus 2x. So we are going to write all these together. So we are going to write minus 27x plus 2x and then again plus 2x. And at last we are having minus 18. So in our final step, we are going to just plus minus the numbers. So 3x square plus 8x square would be 11x square. Now we are having minus 27x plus 2x plus 2x. So if we add them, so it would become plus minus minus. So we are going to subtract 4 means minus 28, so plus 2 plus 2 would 2x plus 2x would be 4, and we are going to minus 4 from 27x, so it would remain minus 23x. And at last we are remain with minus 18. So this was part C of this question. So this is part D of this question. We are having 4 brackets in this question, in which we are having x minus 3, x minus 8, x minus 4 and 2x plus 9. So we are going to follow the same steps. We are going to open these 2 brackets, then these 2 brackets, as we have done in the previous questions. This is the last part for question number 8. So we are going to write x with x minus 8. Then we are going to write minus 3 with again x minus 8. Now it's plus, we are going to write x, and we are going to write with this bracket 2x plus 9 . Then we are having minus 4, and we are going to write it with 2x plus 9. Now we are going to solve all these brackets. X multiplied by x would be x square. X multiplied by 8 would be minus 8x. Then minus 3 multiplied by x would be minus 3x. Then we are going to change the sign. Minus is plus. 3 multiplied by 8 is 24 plus 24. Now x multiplied by 2x would be 2x square. The sign is plus 2x square. Then x multiplied by 9 is 9x. The sign would be plus 9x. Then minus 4 multiplied by 2x would be minus 8x. minus plus would be minus, and 4 multiplied by 9 would be 36. Now we are going to do the grouping x square, and we are having 2x square also. So we are going to write them together, plus 2x square then we are having minus 8x minus 3x plus 9x and minus 8x. So we are going to write them together, minus 8x then minus 3x plus 9x and minus 8x. We are left with plus 24 and minus 36. We are going to write them, plus 24 minus 36. Now we are going to just add them, add and subtract. So x square plus 2x square would be, so here we are going to consider x as 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So it would be 3x square. Now we are having minus 8x minus 3x plus 9x and minus 8x. So while minus 8x minus 3x plus 9x minus 8x, if we solve them together, so it would be minus 10x. 8 minus 3 plus minus plus 8 plus 3 11, and 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 minus 8, so it would be minus 10x. And we are now left with plus 24 minus 36. We can solve it in just one step, but I have done an extra step. We can solve it in the same step also. So 3x square minus 10x, 24 plus minus minus, so 24 minus 36. So the answer would be in negative, it's minus 12. So the final answer would be 3x square minus 10x minus 12. So this was exercise 3A, question number 8 of book 2. So we have solved all 4 parts of this question. It was related to expanding and simplifying. We have simplified the whole, each and every part to its final answer. So I hope you like today's video. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.